Most people trying to get lean are focused on the completely wrong things. There is a quiet gap between people who stay lean year-round and people who struggle despite trying hard. It is not genetics. It is not a faster metabolism handed to them at birth. It is not some secret supplement or an elite training program only accessible to a few. The difference comes down to a collection of small, consistent habits that compound over time into a dramatically different body composition. Most people chasing fat loss are focused on the wrong things entirely. They are sweating through 2-hour cardio sessions, cutting their calories to dangerously low levels, and wondering why the scale barely moves or why the weight comes back the moment they stop. Here is the truth that changes everything. Fat loss is not about sweating more, doing endless cardio, or starving yourself. It all comes down to being in a calorie deficit while protecting your muscle. That single principle is what lean people have quietly mastered. Everything else flows from it. The 7 habits covered here are not dramatic, they are not extreme, but they are the exact behaviors that separate the people who stay lean effortlessly from the people who are always starting over. One of the most consistent habits among lean individuals is fasted training, specifically performing workouts in the morning before eating anything. When you train in a fasted state, your insulin levels are low, and your body is primed to tap into stored fat for fuel rather than relying on recently consumed carbohydrates. This does not mean fasted training magically burns more total fat over a 24-hour period compared to fed training, but what it does do is build a powerful behavioral pattern. Training before breakfast removes the decision fatigue that comes with fitting a workout into a busy afternoon. It also means your metabolism is elevated earlier in the day, which influences your energy and food choices for the hours that follow. Lean people who train fasted tend to eat more mindfully afterward because they are aware of the effort they already put in. They are not eating to reward themselves. They are eating to fuel recovery. This subtle psychological shift matters more than most people realize. Lean people do not treat their metabolism like a mystery. They understand that metabolism is not fixed, and that the choices they make daily either support it or suppress it. One of the most damaging things a person can do when trying to lose fat is eat too little for too long. Severe calorie restriction causes the body to down-regulate its metabolic rate, reduce muscle tissue, and increase hunger hormones. This is why crash diets always fail eventually. Lean people eat enough to support their muscle mass while maintaining a moderate calorie deficit, typically somewhere between 200 and 500 calories below their maintenance level. They also understand that muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning the more muscle you carry, the more calories your body burns at rest. This is why resistance training is non-negotiable in their routine. They are not just burning calories during the workout. They are building a body that burns more calories around the clock. The habits that keep lean people lean are almost invisible. They park farther away. They take the stairs. They stand while working. They pace during phone calls. These behaviors, collectively referred to as non-exercise activity thermogenesis, can account for hundreds of additional calories burned each day without a single minute of formal exercise. Lean people are also consistent with their sleep. Poor sleep elevates cortisol, increases cravings for high-calorie foods, and impairs the hormones that regulate hunger and fullness. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is not a luxury for lean individuals. It is a non-negotiable pillar of their lifestyle. They also tend to eat slowly and without distraction. Eating while watching a screen or scrolling through a phone disconnects you from your body's satiety signals, leading to overconsumption. Lean people eat with awareness, and they stop when they are satisfied rather than when the plate is empty. Protein is the single most important macronutrient for body composition, and lean people know this deeply. Protein has the highest thermic effect of any macronutrient, meaning your body burns more calories simply digesting it compared to fats or carbohydrates. It also preserves muscle tissue during a calorie deficit, which is critical because losing muscle slows your metabolism and makes it harder to stay lean long term. Lean people aim for roughly 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. They build their meals around a protein source first and fill in the rest from there. This approach naturally controls calorie intake because protein is highly satiating. When you are full from chicken, eggs, fish, or Greek yogurt, you are far less likely to reach for processed snacks an hour later. Protein is not just a fitness strategy. It is a hunger management tool that lean people use every single day without thinking twice about it. This one surprises most people, but the way you breathe has a direct connection to fat metabolism. Carbon dioxide is actually the primary vehicle through which fat leaves the body. When fat is broken down, the carbon atoms are exhaled as carbon dioxide through the lungs. This means breathing efficiently and deeply is literally part of the fat loss process at a biochemical level. Beyond the science, lean people use intentional breathing to manage stress. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated, and elevated cortisol promotes fat storage, particularly around the midsection. Practices like diaphragmatic breathing, box breathing, or even just taking 5 slow, deep breaths before a meal activate the parasympathetic nervous system, lower cortisol, and improve digestion. And this is exactly why more people are starting to move away from extreme fat loss methods and toward lower stress approaches that actually work with the body instead of constantly fighting against it. One method that's getting a lot of attention right now uses simple daily stretching routines designed to support metabolism, mobility, circulation, and fat burning without punishing workouts or endless cardio sessions. It's especially popular among people who want something sustainable and easier on the joints. If you want to learn more about it, I've linked it in the description below. Perhaps the most defining habit of lean people is their relationship with consistency. They do not follow a perfect diet. They do not train every single day without exception. They do not avoid every social event because there might be pizza or dessert. What they do is return to their baseline quickly after any deviation. They understand that one meal does not ruin progress, just as one workout does not create it. Progress is built in the aggregate, across weeks and months, not in individual days. Lean people have also internalized the understanding that fat loss is not a sprint. It is a slow, steady recalibration of habits and body composition. They are not chasing rapid results because they have seen enough times that rapid results do not last. They are playing a long game, and that patience is itself a skill they have developed. They do not need motivation every day because their habits are no longer dependent on how they feel. The behaviors are simply part of who they are. That is the real secret. Not a specific diet, not a specific workout, not a specific supplement. It is the quiet, unglamorous, daily commitment to the fundamentals that keeps them lean while everyone else is still searching for the shortcut that does not exist. The difference between people who stay lean and people who constantly struggle often comes down to small daily behaviors repeated consistently over time. That's the part most people never want to hear because it's not flashy, but it works. So what do you think is the hardest habit for people to stay consistent with? Sleep, nutrition, stress management, or exercise? Comment below and let's talk about it. And if you want more videos on fat loss, fasting, metabolism, and sustainable fitness habits, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video.